All right, for the 3rd of April, our objective is that we can factor using the quadratic equation. We did this on Friday. We did notes on 7.4. Today you're going to get the 7.4 assignment. You are going to have a quiz not this week, but next week on the 12th, which is going to be next Wednesday. Cool. So we're going to factor using quadratic formula. If you were not here Friday, you need to look at the board and understand how to do this, okay? So first things first, we want to see, does this equal 0? Okay, and it does. Okay, so since it equals 0, we need to figure out what's A, what's B, and what's C. So A, it's always in the front, B is in the middle, C is out here. We just can't forget the signs. So A is going to be 2, B is going to be positive 3, so we just put 3. And then C is not 6. It's got the minus sign, so it's a negative 6. Now your quadratic formula, okay, this should be formula actually, is going to be this thing out here. Okay, this quadratic formula, you're going to replace A, B, and C in this formula with these 3 numbers. Now remember, there's 2 answers. There's a positive and a negative. So let's try it with the positive. Okay. Sorry, make sure you can see that. So the positive version of this is going to be x equals, now negative b is the opposite of this positive 3, so negative 3 plus or minus the square root. B squared is 3 squared minus 4 times a, which is 2, times c, which is negative 6, all divided by 2a, which is 2 times, and a is 2. Okay. Now, sorry, we're just going to use the plus sign for this, okay? And then we're going to do the exact same thing, but instead of a plus sign, we're going to use a minus sign. Okay, so we have one of these equations with the plus sign, one of these equations with the minus sign. All we got to do now is plug it in to our calculator. So everyone should have a yellow calculator. And when you grab your calculator, you want to do a new document, don't save, number 1. To type this in, don't forget to press Control Divide first so you can get that fraction bar. And we type it in, negative 3 plus Control square root 3 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 6. Go down, divided by 2 times 2. Hit enter, and we get one answer as 1.137. The 7 will make the 3 round up to 1.14. So x equals 1.14. Now, to do the negative one, the easiest way is to go up 2, hit enter, it's going to copy paste it, and then you just got to go to the left and change that plus sign into a minus sign. It's up to you. If you want to retype it all, you can also do that. Just remember, one has to have a plus sign, one has to have a minus sign. You hit enter and you get negative 2.637. The 7 makes the 3 round up to negative 2.64. Okay, and these are your 2 answers. Usually you can see it like this, or you could put it in brackets with the smallest one first, negative 2.64, comma, 1.14. That's another way you might see your answer, okay? This is the way you're going to do your assignment 7.4, which you're going to work on right now. We're going to pass that out to you. And you're going to solve them not by factoring, but by quadratic formula, just like this warm-up and just like the notes from Friday. Here we go. Send it right now.